Harvey. Buddy, come here. Harv. Are you playing bearskin rug? You're playing bearskin rug. Now come here. Smile pretty for the camera. Come here. I turn that icky light off. Come here. Come on. Up, up. Oh, you. Come on. Come on. Yes, the boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Oh. Where are those ears? Want to see those ears, Harvey? Where are those perky ears? Where are those ears? Where you look like you did something wrong. You look like you did something wrong.
I did what?
Harvey. Harvey. Aw. Just no more posing for the camera. Sorry.